Today I'm going to tell you some amazing health benefits of mixing lemon juice and olive oil. We normally go for over-the-counter medication and prescription products to improve our health and help treat illnesses. But did you know that a very simple recipe can do these and deliver more health benefits? We are always searching for all-natural recipes and medicinal alternatives that can give your health a boost. This time, we found out that regularly drinking a mixture of olive oil and lemon juice has a ton of benefits. Of course, we are not saying that this recipe can treat major diseases. It is always best to consult your doctor for those cases. However, lemon and olive oil can prevent nasty complications and alleviate problematic symptoms. Not convinced yet? Here are scientifically proven benefits of lemon juice mixed with olive oil. 1. It cleanses the body. Both olive oil and lemon juice are rich in antioxidants for a full body detox. These are essential for fighting disease-causing toxins in the bloodstream and aiding your internal organs in performing their roles. For example, the mixture is rich in vitamin C and enzymes that help in cleansing your liver and gallbladder. These are essential organs that filter harmful chemicals from the food that we ingest, such as alcohol and heavy preservatives. 2. It promotes regular bowel movement. It feels very uncomfortable if you are constipated or there's gas stuck in your digestive system. Fortunately, olive oil acts as a natural laxative that helps bowel movement. The anti-inflammatory effect of lemon relaxes the lining of your digestive organs and reduces the swelling of your intestines. The mixture does wonders for your tummy because of these combined effects. 3. It benefits your skin, nails, and hair. This recipe can support your skin and hair's health inside and out. Drinking it improves blood circulation underneath the dermis of the skin, relaxes your pores, and helps treat infections. This is perfect for dealing with pimples and giving your skin a healthy glow. The mixture can also be directly applied to your nails and scalp. It moisturizes the scalp and fights yeasts and bacteria. If left untreated, these can cause dandruff and eczema. Lastly, coating your fingernails with it can keep them strong and moist with much lower chances of growing a hangnail. 4. It fights the buildup of bad cholesterol. Bad cholesterol from fatty and oily food can encroach vital body organs. It can cause lasting damages to your heart and liver if it's allowed to accumulate, increasing your risks of heart attack and liver failure. Olive oil and lemon is loaded with good cholesterol that promotes internal organ health. Lemon enzymes help the body in breaking down bad cholesterol and flushing it out. Moreover, good cholesterol improves the health of your joints and ligaments to prevent arthritis and chronic pains. 5. It improves overall blood circulation. Varicose veins form just below the skin because of blood clots and poor circulation. Olive oil improves the flow of blood throughout the body, and lemon juice relaxes your blood vessels for better circulation. You can even apply the mixture directly on varicose veins for a more direct treatment. 6. Helps in maintaining weight and dealing with abdominal fat. The mixture by itself does not burn calories. However, it's a good supplement to any weight loss program because it helps eliminate excess weight. A huge part of your belly fat is made of entrapped water. The fatty acids in this recipe penetrate these regions of excessive fat and water and helps your body in flushing them out. 7. It helps regulate your blood pressure. In addition to improving circulation, consuming this mixture before breakfast helps regulate blood pressure. Lemon has a relaxing effect on the arteries and blood vessels, and it stabilizes your heart rate and blood pressure. It's a natural food supplement that can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. 8. It deals with premature aging inside and out. The mixture is rich in tocopherol, which is a type of vitamin E. This is capable of keeping your skin healthy with a pearly glow. Tocopherol helps in fighting wrinkles and age spots on the outside, while it prevents arthritis and heart diseases from the inside. Moreover, olive oil is rich in essential minerals and monosaturated fats, which help your internal organs function more effectively. They become more resilient to diseases and premature aging. The list of benefits really can go on and on. The recipe. Now that you're aware of the health benefits of mixing lemon juice and olive oil, you are probably curious about how it's made. It's really easy. You just have to remember that only 1 spoonful of the mixture should be taken each day. Taking more can have negative side effects to your health. Mix half a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with half a tablespoon of olive oil. Consume it first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. And that's it. Please note that just 1 tablespoon of the mixture is enough per day. And you can take it daily, but you should take it at least 3 times a week for the positive effects to show. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more great videos from Trendy Natural Remedies.